One of my favorite membership testimonials on the family plan is something I think that most of us have probably dealt with in our lifetime. And that was a few years ago. We were actually taking the family to Hawaii on vacation. And we were stranded at the Las Vegas airport for the whole day. We were supposed to be there for a couple hours for a layover. And it wasn't because of weather. It was because of a mechanical issue on an incoming plane. And it caused us to lose a night at the resort that we had paid $350 a night for. It caused us to miss an excursion that we had booked. And it was just a really inconvenient way to start our vacation. So when I got home, I called this major airline and asked if they could do anything for us since this had happened and it really was their fault. And they told me that even though we'd spent a couple $1,000s on these tickets, there was nothing they could do. So I called my provider law firm, and about 11 days later, after my provider law firm had written a certified letter to this airline, I got an apology letter in the mail with 4 free tickets to use anywhere in North America, which was over $1,500 in value, paid for our membership for almost 8 years, all because the attorney wrote that letter on our behalf instead of us making the phone call.